Hello friends, hope everybody is doing good. Once again we are here to share tips on parenting. So what do you do when you realize that your child is not doing its best? They are not giving their full in the task. So there are three things which we can do. First, it is important to realize that there is always a reason for that lack of effort. Sometimes it is because the child does not have the skill. They are bored. Probably they are very anxious or hungry. They may be tired. They don't learn the way it is being taught, and many more reasons. So it is important that we seek to understand what is happening with our child and why he or she is not giving their best. The reason is important. So how do you decipher that? So you can just say, I can see that you are not feeling right today, but it is really good that you tried. Is there anything troubling you that you want to talk about? So being empathetic really helps, especially with our children. The second thing which we have to understand is that we will help our child to self-evaluate. Self-awareness helps. Self-awareness helps our child to understand that what they were doing and how they were doing and how a new way which they can do that thing. What is that new way that they can do this thing? They're also able to think and find out ways to make things work better next time. And on our part, we can just ask, so how did you do the thing? And probably they will say, I don't know. And then you can say, it is always when we are doing best, we know that we have done and we have given our 100%. But it is okay. Let us again sit down and brainstorm ideas on what is the best approach for this task. So this kind of self-introspection will also help. The third thing which we can do is take a pause. Take a pause and think. Think what is the true purpose of the task. Doing your best is not always necessary. So for example, if the expected result of the task is to learn problem solving, probably say they are doing math sums, no? So it is the learning which is not, learning problem solving is more important. Then what do you do about spellings, a perfect writing? So that can be handled later. So we can just ask ourselves, how did they do in this task? No, what is the real importance of this? And do I really need to worry about the things which are not concerned with this particular task? So being mindful really helps. Yeah, so I think this was helpful for you to understand why your child is not giving their best. Thank you so much. Do like and share the video and subscribe the channel. See you next week with more nuggets of wisdom. Thank you once again.